Analysis of young adult books using text-to-text as a basis of analysis. This assignment is worth 100 points. First, you'll choose 2 young adult books that have characters in school in an urban setting. You'll read these books and compare them on the following levels. You'll compare the characters, plot, theme, writing style, point of view, and the impact factors that affect access to quality education. You'll write an essay comparing these 2 books on a text-to-text level. The expectations for this assignment is that both books you choose will be examples of quality literature and contain characters in school in an urban setting. The elements above will be discussed in depth, with examples from both books to show your analysis. There will be a chapter of Russell posted on Moodle that you might find useful in doing this comparison. You will give your own opinion of how the author chose to handle the impact factors affecting access to quality education. Those, again, are factors that we will have discussed at length in class. The organization of the paper will be the development of your themes and outline this in your introduction. Then you will have 3 to 5 sections in the paper and a conclusion. The paper should be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. Your grammar, usage, and APA will be graded under usage points for the semester. As always, if you have any questions about this assignment, you are welcome to pose your question in the forum on Moodle. Thank you.